Hey guys, this is the Everything Tutor, and in this video we'll be talking about inequality. So obviously just some basic stuff. If you have two numbers, A and B, or one of these three is true. So either A is greater than B, A is less than B, or A is equal to B. Okay, so now some more SAT stuff. So some rules that you need to remember. So firstly, adding a number to an inequality or subtracting a number from the inequality preserves the inequality. So if A is less than B, then A plus C is less than B plus C. So let's use some numbers. So let's say A is 3 and 7 is B. So if we have 3 is less than 7, right? And let's say C is 100. Okay, so if we add 100 to both, so 3 plus 100 is less than 7 plus 100, right? And we know that's true. So 300 less than 700. And the same goes for subtraction. If A is less than B, then A minus C is less than B minus C. So again, let's say A is 3, B is 7, and C is 100. So if we have 3 minus 100 is less than 7 minus 100. And that's true because we know 3 minus 100, negative 97, and we know 7 minus 100 is negative 93. Next rule. So if A is less than B and C is less than D, then A plus C is less than B plus D. So for example, let's say A is 3, B is 7, C is 5, and D is 10. So if we do A plus C is less than B plus D, then that's just 3 plus 5 is less than 7 plus 10, which is true because 8 is less than 17. All right. Next rule, multiplying or dividing an inequality by a positive number preserves the inequality. So if A is less than B and C is a positive number, then AC is less than BC, and A divided by C is also less than BC. So if A is 3, so if A is 3 and 7 is B, C is 100. Again, so we have 700, right? And then the same goes for division. So for here, 3 over 100 is less than 7 100ths. Next rule, multiplying or dividing an inequality by a negative number reverses the inequality. So if A is less than B and C is negative, then A times C is greater than BC, and A divided by C is greater than BC. So let's say A is 3, B is 7, and C is negative 100. Then for A times C, we'd have negative 300, and then for BC, negative 700. And negative 300 is greater than negative 700. And then 3 divided by negative 100 is greater than 7 divided by negative 100. Next rule, which applied to the previous one, taking negatives reverses an inequality. So if A is less than B, then negative A is greater than negative B, and if A is greater than B, then negative A is less than negative B. So if 3 is A and 7 is B, then negative 3, negative A, is greater than negative 7, negative B. And vice versa, if 7 is A and 3 is B, then negative 7, negative A, is less than negative B, which is negative 3. Next rule, if two numbers are each positive or each negative, taking reciprocals reverses an inequality. So since 3 is less than 7, 1/3 is greater than 1/7. And since negative 3 is greater than negative 7, negative 1/3 is less than negative 1/7. This is the Everything Tutor. Thank you for watching.